there, beauty enthusiasts! Are you tired of struggling with uneven foundation application? Fear not, because today I've got you covered! We're diving into the world of foundation brushes, and I'll be sharing my expert insights on the top 5 contenders in the market. From luxurious to budget-friendly options, we've got something for everyone. So sit back, relax, and let's find your perfect foundation brush. At number 1 position, we have DUcare foundation brush. Let's kick things off with the DUcare foundation brush. Crafted with premium synthetic fibers, this brush promises to deliver flawless application with every stroke. Key features. The DUcare foundation brush features densely packed bristles that ensure seamless blending, while its ergonomic handle provides maximum control and comfort. Benefits and usage. Achieve a natural airbrushed finish with ease using this brush. Its precision tip allows for precise application in hard-to-reach areas, while its soft bristles gently buff and blend foundation for a radiant complexion. Usability. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, the DUcare foundation brush is a must-have in your beauty arsenal. Its versatile design makes it suitable for both liquid and cream formulas, ensuring effortless application every time. Durability. Constructed with high-quality materials, this brush is built to last. Say goodbye to shedding and fraying. The DUcare foundation brush is designed to withstand daily use without compromising its performance. Moving on to the next at number 2 with synthetic foundation makeup brush. Next up, we have the synthetic foundation makeup brush, a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. Key features. Crafted with synthetic bristles, this brush is cruelty-free and ideal for those with sensitive skin. Its flat, tapered shape allows for precise application and seamless blending. Benefits and usage. Achieve a flawless base in seconds with this versatile brush. Its soft bristles effortlessly blend foundation for a natural-looking finish, while its lightweight design makes it perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Usability. Whether you prefer liquid, cream, or powder foundation, the synthetic foundation makeup brush has you covered. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to achieve professional results at home. Durability. Despite its affordable price tag, this brush is built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures minimal shedding and maximum longevity, so you can enjoy flawless makeup application for years to come. The number 3 position is held by Daubigny foundation makeup brush. Now let's talk about the Daubigny foundation makeup brush, a luxurious option that's worth the investment. Key features. Crafted with ultra-soft synthetic fibers, this brush boasts a unique angled design that effortlessly hugs the contours of the face for flawless application. Benefits and usage. Achieve a flawless, streak-free finish with this innovative brush. Its densely packed bristles ensure maximum coverage, while its angled shape allows for precision and control. Usability. Whether you're blending out liquid, cream, or powder foundation, the Daubigny foundation makeup brush delivers impeccable results every time. Its luxurious feel and professional-grade performance make it a favorite among makeup artists and beauty enthusiasts alike. Durability. Designed to withstand daily use, this brush is a true investment in your beauty routine. Its high-quality construction ensures longevity, while its easy-to-clean bristles make maintenance a breeze. Next, at number 4, we have KINGMAS foundation makeup brush. Next on our list is the KINGMAS foundation makeup brush, a versatile option that's perfect for achieving a flawless complexion. Key features. Crafted with premium synthetic bristles, this brush features a flat, paddle-shaped design that effortlessly buffs and blends foundation for a seamless finish. Benefits and usage. Achieve a flawless, airbrushed look with ease using this innovative brush. Its densely packed bristles ensure maximum coverage, while its ergonomic handle provides optimal control and precision. Usability. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, the KINGMAS foundation makeup brush is a must-have in your beauty collection. Its versatile design makes it suitable for all types of foundation formulas, ensuring effortless application and blending. Durability. Constructed with high-quality materials, this brush is built to last. Say goodbye to shedding and fraying. The KINGMAS Foundation Makeup Brush is designed to withstand daily use without compromising its performance. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Kugge Foundation Brush. Last but not least, we have the Kugge Foundation Brush, a game-changer in the world of makeup application. Key features. Crafted with ultra-soft synthetic bristles, this brush boasts a unique curved design that hugs the contours of the face for seamless blending and buffing. Benefits and usage. Achieve a flawless, natural-looking finish with this innovative brush. Its curved shape allows for precise application in hard-to-reach areas, while its soft bristles ensure a streak-free finish every time. Usability? Whether you're applying liquid, cream, or powder foundation, the Kugge Foundation Brush delivers professional results with minimal effort. Its ergonomic handle provides maximum control and comfort, making it a favorite among makeup enthusiasts. Durability. Built to withstand daily use, this brush is a true investment in your beauty routine. Its high-quality construction ensures longevity, while its easy-to-clean bristles make maintenance a breeze. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 foundation brushes for achieving a flawless makeup look. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, these brushes are sure to elevate your beauty routine to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to uneven foundation application and hello to flawless, radiant skin. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert beauty tips and recommendations. Until next time, stay fabulous!